Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna unbox my Orna boxes for the month of April. Yeah, so let's just open and see what jewelry pieces I got this time. So these are the boxes, the green one and the blue one. They have changed their packaging a bit. Earlier they used to be like white box with green tape and blue tape. But this time they have changed the look of the boxes. The one box is like totally green and the other box is totally blue. They have also revised their prices as well. So the green box earlier used to retail $3.99, but now it retails for $4.99 Indian rupees, whereas the blue box used to cost $6.99 Indian rupees. Now it costs $7.99 Indian rupees. But if you subscribe the box, any box for the whole year, you will be getting 40% discount, which is awesome. And if you are subscribing both the boxes for whole year, you'll be getting 50% discount. That's also awesome. So yeah, grab this offer right now. So first of all, I'm just gonna open the green box first and see what jewelry I got this time in the green box. All right, I see a pair of earrings and these look so beautiful. Oh my god, these are just my kind of earrings. I love these kind of earrings. Look at them, they are so pretty, so gorgeous they look at them. These are so pretty. So this is how they are looking on me. Oh my god, I love these earrings. They are so pretty, super pretty. Now let's just check out other jewelry pieces I got. Okay, so this is like a, what do you call that, hearth fool, and it's also very pretty. Wow, this is amazing. This is how it looks. Look at it, it's so pretty, really elegant and dainty it is, and looks so pretty. So that's the hearth fool I got. All right, I see another pair of earrings. Oh my god, these are like jhumkis, and I love jhumka style earrings as well, and they're golden color. I don't have any jhumke in gold, and they have golden beads underneath, which is so pretty. Look at these, they look so pretty. I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look on me. This is how they're looking on me. Oh my god, they're super pretty. I love the yellow beads underneath. They look so gorgeous. All right, I think I'm just left with one last piece from the box, which is a huge chunky neck piece. Look at this. This is such a huge chunky neck piece. It's like black metal and it has some red detailings. This is how it looks like. Okay, I do have one more thing, and I think it's a ring. I don't know what it is, so let me just open and see what it is. It looks like kind of like a ring. Yes, it is a ring, which is very unique. I've never seen a ring like this. Look at this, it's so unique with a fur ball over it. So that's the ring. So yeah, that's it for the green box. In total, I got 5 items, 2 earrings, 1 hearth fool or bracelet, 1 ring and 1 chunky neck piece in $4.99 Indian rupees. Now let's just check out the blue box, which retails for $7.99 Indian rupees. So let's dig into that. All right, I have the blue box here. Now let's just open. Oh my god, the very first thing I saw is a ring. I love these kind of rings. Though I'm not a ring person, but I love these kind of rings. Look at this, how pretty this ring is and how big it is, and it looks so pretty. Look at the ring. So that's the ring, black metal ring. This is like a statement ring. I love this kind of ring. So the next piece I can see is, okay, these are earrings. Oh my god, these are again super chunky earrings. Oh my god, and they are again the black metal silver earrings. Look at these are gorgeous again. Oh my god, I don't know, I have a thing for string earrings, like all those earrings which have these kind of strings. I love them a lot. So look at these look so pretty. I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look on me. Look at these. Oh my god, these are again gorgeous. Love it so much. All right, now let's see what else I got. A bracelet, and this is how it looks like. I really don't like the this thing, the threads here. I don't like these. they're just going so off. I think I'm just gonna remove it. Otherwise the bracelet looks nice. It's really, really pretty, and this is how it looks like. That was the bracelet. Alright, and then I see another pair of earrings. Look at these earrings. This is how they look like. They are very, very modern and chic. They're unique. So this is how they look like. I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look on me. I don't feel like removing these earrings. I love them so much, but I still have to, you know, show you guys how these look on me. This is how they are looking on me. They're pretty nice as well. One last thing, and this is the neck piece, and I'm not gonna open this because I have a similar neck piece in my collection. I don't know in which box I got that neck piece, but I have exact similar piece, which is this one. I don't know which box I got in, but I have the exact same neck piece. I think I'm just gonna give one away, or I'll gift it to someone. Yeah, so this is the neck piece. Even in the blue box I got 5 things: ring, bracelet, 2 earrings, and a chunky neck piece. And the favorite piece is these earrings. Look at these. I love them so much. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I loved them. Yeah, it's a little defective. I can see one string broken, but I don't think so anybody will notice that when I'll wear them. So yeah, I can work with it. So that was it for the Orna boxes for the month of April, and if you like them or you want to try them, then I will be giving all the details in the description box for them. So go and subscribe for yourself. And yeah, if you're watching me for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button. Help me grow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.